dancers, thank you for coming back to refresh your tap skills. You know a lot of my warm-ups include time steps, so let me go over our time steps together. These are according to the Dance Masters of America tap manual. The standard time steps are always going to start with a shuffle and then a hop. What we do is we either call it a single, a double, or a triple. A step only makes one sound, so it's considered a single time step. So once again, we start with a shuffle hop, we do a step, and then they're always going to end with a flap step, and that allows us to switch feet. Shuffle hop, step, flap, step, shuffle hop, step, flap, step, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and. If you were to graduate to a double time step, that one step becomes a flap because we need two sounds there. So in context, it would be shuffle hop, flap, step, shuffle hop, flap, step. Remember, we start with a shuffle hop. Here's where you do the double sound, and then always end with the flap step. It is a little confusing in the double because there's two flaps in a row, so you just kind of have to keep track of it and remember that it's always going to end with flap step. Feel free to pause this video at any time to repeat, because remember, when you repeat, that's when you learn. That's when you're downloading it into your muscle memory. Graduating it to a triple time step would go like this. You always start with your shuffle hop. Now we need to sneak in 3 sounds here. So you're going to do shuffle step. That's the 3 sounds to make it a triple. And then always end with flap step. On the left, it would feel like shuffle hop, shuffle step, flap step. 8 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and. Moving on to the buck time steps, you're going to do stomp, which is the full foot striking the floor, a spank or backwards brush. So there is a split second where your full foot is on the floor. You lift your toes so that you can get the ball of the foot to strike the floor without it getting so scrapey, right? Because if I left it on the floor, it would get a little scrapey here. So the stomp and the spank replace the shuffle that you were doing in the standard time steps. So in buck time steps, that's the only difference. Everything else is going to be the same. So you start with stomp, spank, hop. To do a single time step, you do step right here, and then end with flap step. All together on the left, it goes stomp, spank, hop, step, flap step. 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. To make it a double, you would go stomp, spank, hop, flap, step, stomp, spank, hop, flap, step. To make it a triple, you start off the same way, the stomp, spank, hop, then you have to do a shuffle step, and then end with your flap step. Stomp, spank, hop, shuffle step, flap step, stomp, spank, hop, shuffle step, flap step, stomp, spank, hop, shuffle step, flap step. And I love time steps because a lot of choreographers throw them into tap choreography, so it's really cool when you know what they are referencing when they say, okay, put in a triple time step. You're already going to know from this video.